Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how can you insert SIM on your Motorola Edge 50 Fusion. In order to insert your Nano SIM card on your Motorola Fusion, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, what you have to do is you simply want to locate a small hole you could see at the left, or sometimes you might be able to find it on the top. And what you have to do is you simply want to go ahead and get a paper clip. Now I have this sharp object, you could use that. You simply want to gently push that out or push that inside, and you could see this tray, right? You simply want to pull this out, and what next you want to do is you have to pull this out and make sure to place the SIM card here. Make sure to adjust it correctly, just like that. So once it is placed correctly, then you want to simply insert it right back in, just like this, completely, and close this out, and once again restart the device. Here you have successfully inserted a SIM card. So now you simply want to go to the settings and enable it, and that's how you could do it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.